5 interesting facts about cars. How many cars in the world? There are currently 1,546,000,000 vehicles around the world. Every second 145 cars are registered worldwide. China has the most cars with nearly 300 million, or about 21.42% of cars in the world. There were approximately 294 million registered motor vehicles in the United States. Now imagine, every car lined up bumper to bumper. They would stretch around the earth over 150 times. Did you know how many parts those cars have? The average car has roughly 30,000 parts if you count all parts down to the nuts and bolts. If you consider large parts such as the engine as one part, you can say that a car has about 1,800 separate parts. The engine alone has thousands of individual parts inside it. Volkswagen's best-selling item is sausage. In 2015, Volkswagen sold more of their curry hot dogs than vehicles. Michelin's Bugatti Veyron Super Sport tires were the most expensive, costing $42,000 per set. They were made to withstand the Bugatti Veyron's top speed of 406 km/h, as well as to be heat and friction resistant. Irving Gordon currently holds the Guinness World Record for the highest vehicle mileage on a personal car, with over 3 million miles on his 1966 Volvo 1000 V100S. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.